girls around the globe do their utmost to be more like the Duchess of Cambridge. This is not at all surprising, considering she is a real beauty. For instance, the whole world is amazed by how incredibly shapely and attractive the Duchess's arms are. Today Healthy Hacks unveils the details of an effective and easy-to-do exercise program that'll make your arms look just as impressive. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Straighten your back, bend your knees, and tilt your pelvis backward. If you haven't got weights, you can replace them with bottles of water. Fixate your elbows. Raise your arms to chest level, and then to face level. Next, slowly lower your arms. Make sure that you exhale while bending your arms, and inhale while straightening them out. For this exercise, you can use a chair, a sofa, or a bench. Prop your hands against a stable surface located behind you. Bend your knees at a 90-degree angle. Carefully lower your pelvis by bending your elbows. Then, return to the starting position. Inhale while lowering yourself down, and exhale while pushing your body upward. Place your hands on the bench, shoulder-width apart. Straighten your legs. Tense your abdomen. Lower your upper torso by bending your elbows. Try to keep your body straight. Return to the starting position. If you're finding the exercise too difficult, try bending your knees. Inhale while lowering yourself down. Exhale while pushing your body upward. Straighten your arms, and let your palms touch the wall. Place your feet shoulder-width apart. Stand on your toes. Press yourself against the wall, bending your elbows. Make sure to keep a straight posture. Exhale while pushing yourself away from the wall, and inhale while bringing your torso close to the wall. Lie down on a floor mat. Slightly lift your torso off the floor using your hands, elbows bent. Next, bend your knees and lift your legs up, ankles crossed. Now push yourself off the floor with your hands. Inhale while lowering yourself back to the floor. Exhale while pushing your body upward. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Relative to your torso, one foot should be placed in front, the other, behind. Bend your knees slightly. Extend one arm forward while bending the other. Repeatedly alternate the positions of your hands and feet, punching at the air with your fists. If the exercise seems too simple, try shadow boxing while holding small weights in either hand. In each case, spend a few minutes warming up before proceeding to the main exercises. Try to repeat every exercise move 15 to 20 times, depending on your fitness level.